our Excel WorkHour. So in case you are just joining, yes, my name is Kawiyy, and I'm a data analyst, and I'm also a data analyst instructor. So in this class, what we've been doing for the past 32 days is to learn how to use Microsoft Excel to do different tasks. So all the videos that we've been learning since are on my YouTube channel, LearnWithQowiyy. So you are going to see tons of video on different functions, different formulas we work with, and different tables we work with Microsoft Excel just to boost our productivity. Alright, so in today's class, we're going to be learning another function, but the function is a mathematical function. Yes, a mathematical function. What function is that? It's called the round up and round down. Before I go there, so don't forget, in case you still want to join the October class, click on the WhatsApp link below to send me a message. And also, if you want to get added to the community, also click on the WhatsApp link to send me a message. And don't forget to fill the form that is also under this channel, under this video description, so that you can have access to join the webinar we'll be having on September 14. Exactly. Right, so without wasting much of our time, let's get started. What do you want to work on? You want to learn how to use this function let me say round up, round down, round. Yes, how do these things work? Now let me just quickly tell you how they work. You see this round up, it moves away from zero, round down tends to zero, and then round is going to what? It's going to round it appropriately on probably based on anything you have in the exactly. Now so for here now, let's assume I want to round up towards two decimal places. I will just say equals to round up just this comma 2 digits. And this is I have what 0.63. So you see now it's moving away from zero. Now where do you usually analyze those is that what? Notice this one is 3.331, but it's still giving me 0.34. That means for you to know what it is just what finding any missed word to run away from what from zero. It does not even want to know if the next number is what up to 5 or what lesser than 5. All this is clear. Now the next one is what round down. Equals to round down. This one is what is tending to what to zero. So if I click here, say comma, and let me say 2. Now notice that what this 6 to 5, notice what is going to happen there. Odd note, I'm still having my 0.62. It is not adding what this 5, ordinarily you should turn this 5 to 1 and add to what my 0.62. So it is not working that way. So in what it's moving turning away from what from 0. No matter the value is going to add to it, but this one, no matter the value, even if it's up to 5 or lesser than 5, it's not going to what add up. Exactly. Now then we have the round function. Round function. How does it work? Now this is it. This one works perfect. So where it's supposed to round up is going to round up. Where it's supposed to round down is going to round down. So if you comment, say what I want to. Can see it 0.63. Now let me use my autofill. Now all the notice in this 0.331. Since the one is not up to what 5, what happened? It gave me what just my 0.33. Exactly. And look at this one 0.258. Where the next value is what more than 5, what happens is it turns it to 1 and add it to the next value. That's why I'm having what 0.26 here. Obviously, so for the round function is like the most appropriate, except if we have any reason why we want to use it round up and round down. So the most appropriate function to use is what is a round function. Why? Because it's going to what do the best thing at the right place. So where it's supposed to round up is going to round up. Where it's supposed to round down is going to round down. So that's how to use what the round function. Thanks for watching. Do have a nice day. And don't forget, if you want to join the WhatsApp community, click up the link below to message me so you can get added to the WhatsApp community. Exactly. So bye everyone.